रियलिटी शो
you heard. अब सबको पता चल गया कि मेरा पहला रियलिटी शो है और हाँ मैंने बाकी सब कुछ कर लिया है लेकिन आज तक रियलिटी नहीं किया था.
But how excited are you about this? I mean, what really made you go about this?
To be honest, I was a little fed up of everything I'm doing. I'm doing really good things. I'm enjoying myself, but the fact is, how much of the same things you can do? Just acting. I need a break from my business. I've had two beautiful daughters, so I feel like I'm an achiever right now. I need to go out and do something for myself. And ये एक मेरे लिए शो होगा. It is for me to get out, relax. I know people say कि why relax, break बोल रहे हो तुम, ये तो खतरों की खिलाड़ी है. But I feel कि एक आप मेंटली लिबरेट हो जाते हो. आई एम गोइंग टू बी ऑन माई ओन. यहाँ पर वोटिंग भी नहीं है, विच इज़ वेरी सैड बिकॉज विदाउट माई व्यूअर्स इज डिफिकल्ट टू विन. लेकिन आई एम गोइंग टू जस्ट गो एंड एंजॉय माई सेल्फ.
But at the same time, what are the things are you really looking forward to? Because Kitru Ki Khiladi, it's all about overcoming your fear. So what are the fears that you really want to overcome?
I have actually overcome all my fears. To be honest, I have had a bunch of things that have hit me in the face in life, and I'm used to getting up and standing. When it comes to this, at least here, I'm sure we have some safety precautions जो पहले थे नहीं. But I don't fear anything except for cockroaches, which I keep saying. I fear cockroaches, but I will overcome that fear as well. But I'm ready for this. I decided, I spoke to myself in my mind. मैंने कहा कि will I be able to jump? I said, of course I will. Will I be able to, go through fire? Of course I will. तो मैं सब of course बोलते रहता हूँ. I guess it's also because अगर कुछ बुरी इंजरी हो जाए तो शो के लिए भी अच्छा नहीं होगा. तो yeah, I'm quite prepared.
I mean, what are the tasks? I would say you're really looking forward to. आप लोगों ने पहले वाले सीजन में काफी सारे टास्क दिए, different tasks. There are some creepy, that Daredevil jumping from.
I'm not looking forward to creepy crawlies. I think everybody would not want to look forward to that. But that's not very difficult, to be honest. It's only little उसमें EU factor है, but it's not very difficult. I'm looking forward to, mainly I would love to do some car stunt, which is I think a boy's dream. So I would love to do something with a monster truck or with a car or something like that. And I hope there's nothing about holding breath too much underwater, because उसमें claustrophobia ऐसा हो जाता है. Though it's not, I don't have a problem with that, but I want to do more fun stuff, with animals or with cars. I think that is more. लेकिन जो मैं चाहता हूँ वो ज़्यादातर होता नहीं है. So I think it's going to be something else.
But at the same time, do you think it's more of a mental challenge rather than more than physical? Because mentally you have to, push yourself.
It is 100% all about mental strength. यहाँ पर अगर ज़्यादा कुछ बॉडी बना लो वहाँ अटक जाएंगे. So you won't be able to do it. You have to be agile, fit. वो तो है ही. But mentally, like they say ना कि if you really put in everything, you can achieve the world. So if you are ready to believe nothing will happen to you, it'll happen. I think 90% of your mental strength comes when you sign this contract. The contract has a lot of detail, a lot of things. They want you to, throw in so much time, energy, patience, and a whole bunch of things. So we are going because of that. So if I wasn't prepared, I wouldn't sign it. And especially me, because see, people either I needed a lot of exposure. I've never been on TV, so I would say कि I'm signing this खाली TV में दिख जाऊँगा. वो तो है नहीं. I've done enough of work. Or I say कि I need the money. So I mean, yes, I do need the money. Everyone needs it. But there are other ways of making money. So I feel कि for me it's purely for the fact of going out there, doing things religiously, winning and coming back. What I'm really scared of is losing and coming back early. अगर वो हो गया तो ये सब माइक्स मेरे सामने मत लाना. मैं कहीं जाकर अपना चेहरा छुपा दूँगा.
So are you looking forward to meet Rohit? Yeah, please.
What's going to be your winning strategy?
I think my winning strategy will be about being relaxed and not worrying. When you worry and you plan too much, it goes wrong. I will just relax, भगवान का नाम लूँगा, and I'll go in because luck भी चाहिए ना. Like I said, if a particular animal or a reptile is not in a great mood when it sees me, probably because my armpits are stinking, then that animal is not going to want me to be close to it. So you don't know who's in what kind of mood and how the winds are changing. So I just hope the luck goes with me. Other than that, I'm going to be relaxed.
Looking forward to work with Rohit as well. He's a taskmaster.
Yeah,
He's a tough host.
He is. I don't know Rohit personally yet. As we've said hello to each other, but I've watched the shows. I just feel Rohit is, other than being a really big director, having 100 crore films, or his peculiar action, whatever he does, which is great, and he's one of those few people who has his own styles. But all that besides, I think Rohit is he looks like a good host bodily. He's a good-looking guy. He's tough. He talks well. He presents himself. He's well dressed. So I think the guy has that personality to be a great host, which is more important. not because he's made those films or because he's done that. So for me, he's just a good-looking man with a great body and a great personality who's going to be a host, and I like that as a host.
How much are you looking forward, talking about the Bollywood films, are you looking forward to see you doing?
I have reached the phase where I feel I want to do everything, and that's why I'm doing a reality show. सब कुछ किया है मैंने. I have done right from ads, films, fashion shows, satellite film, art film, features, dailies, weeklies. So I feel this is one thing I wanted to do. Features, yes, will be on my plate. Unfortunately, I keep getting only multi-star comedies, but hopefully more will come along as I do TV. Right now, I'm enjoying television, and I think, जीना ही क्या वो जिसमें you don't do everything. So I want to just have a good time.
Great, absolutely.
Thank you. Thanks, yeah.
Thanks, sir.
What's the level of excitement and nervousness?
I think right now there's a lot of excitement. Right now I'm only excited. I think that nervousness will come once I reach there. So right now there's a lot of excitement.
Yeah, I think I feel the same. बहुत excitement है, anxiety बहुत ज़्यादा है पर, but I think I'm just looking forward to being there, to seeing the stunts and to see what is there ahead of us.
But I'm just talking about the show. What was that? वो क्या था जो जिसने आप लोगों को pressurized किया आप लोगों को ये show करना चाहिए? What was that?
Honestly, I think it's just about doing something that you can never do in your day-to-day life. So it's just about going and doing a lot of adventure, a lot of thrills, a lot of excitement, जो हम normal life में नहीं कर सकते. So I think it's just about going there and having a good time, fighting your fears.
I think it's the same thing because एक नया concept आ गया है in this new generation which is called YOLO. You only live once. So I think that's the concept that I'm at least going with for this show. Every day is going to be an adventure. We are never going to live like that in our entire lives. I think I'll tell my grandchildren. I don't know, people way after me will say, oh, she did all this. So yeah, I think that's very exciting.
Just talking about Rohit Shetty, he's known for his action movies and all that. So, आप उनको as a host कैसे देखते हैं?